In this video, I'll talk about how you can buy options on Webull. Now on Webull, you have the options trader right here, or you can download the Webull app. Now keep in mind, this only works if you're in America or Canada, and you also need to apply for the options. So how this works is you're gonna apply for options trading. You can do that by going to the menu on the app, go to account, apply for options trading, and once you've done that, you will be able to trade options. So after that, you just want to search for the one you want to trade options on. You can do that by searching up here. And once you've done that, choose your expiration date and your strike price. Select if you want to call or put. After that, just choose the contract and you can place the order. Once you've placed the order and confirmed it, you have now bought the option. So that is basically how that works, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed the short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.